Hi everyone! So BeeBeeCraft reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do another collaboration with them. And I said yes. I've done many collaborations with them in the past, and their products are always super good quality. I haven't had any issues with anything that I've received from them before. So let's see what I picked out this time. I love that a lot of their stuff comes already in its own little case. So that works out so nicely. That way you don't have to worry about organizing it or what kind of container you're going to put it in, because it already comes with its own container. And these are little skull charms. I am so ready for Halloween crafting. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at those. Look at the little detail. Oh, and they feel so nice. They're like a matte texture to them, kind of like a matte rubbery texture. Super, super nice. So there's the dark blue. There is this lighter blue. Still the same pattern. There is a dark green, a pink, and a red. Ooh, that's a really nice red. That's like my favorite color right there, a really dark red. Really, really nice. They all have the same pattern to them. Super cute. So there are your 5 different colors right there. Really, really nice. I'm wondering if these can be painted. I would love to have like a white one or a silver or even a black. So I'm going to have to go ahead and try that out and see if I can go ahead and paint these. But here's a little close-up look of all the different colors. They're all the same pattern, just different colors. So those are really, really nice. Love those. These are so much larger than I thought from the photo. Now they do give you sizes so you can, figure out what the size is, but I didn't, sit there and pay attention and try to convert it into inches, but these are huge. But I love these. So you have the spider web on the outside with a little spider on the inside. Again, with these, I definitely want to see if I can paint these as well. I would love to paint the spider a different color just to make it pop a little bit more from the spider web. So these are a good size. This definitely has to be over an inch, maybe like 1.25 inches. So yeah, these are a good size charm. Really cute if you were to do these on little earrings and make them like little dangle earrings. I think that would be really nice as well. And in this one you get 50 pieces. I don't remember how many of the skulls you get. Yeah, the slip just says 1 box. So I don't know how many little skulls you get in here. But this whole bag is 50. And then the other item I got was this faux leather in Halloween. So I want to try to make some little bows out of these. I think it would be really cute to have little Halloween bows. So there's this orange. Look at how cute this pumpkin one is. Really cute. This one is my favorite pattern though right here. Look at that. The little pumpkins with the little roses. Isn't that just so pretty? I love this one. I might do something a little bit extra with that one other than just bows. And we have the little skulls with the bones and the crossbones. Look at his little eyes. They're like little X's. That's so funny. That's really cute. Then we just have some black glitter. Then we have some candy corn. Do you guys love candy corn or can't stand candy corn? I'm fine either way. I don't crave it or anything, but if it's there, I'll grab a couple, My mom loves candy corn. I did buy her a couple of bags. Look at this orange. These are just gorgeous. Look at how pretty they are and how shiny they are. I need like a whole pack of just these glitter right here. The black and the orange. I need a whole pack of that. Those are just gorgeous. And then we have our little bats right here. And they are different sizes. So this is the larger bat, the medium-sized bat, and then like the little baby bat. Really cute. Then we have some black, white, and orange. Little like chevron pattern there. And this is a black glitter, but it's definitely different than the previous one. This one has more chunky glitter to it. Let me get the other one so I can show you to compare. So this one is definitely like fine glitter, and this one is definitely the chunkier glitter pieces. So hopefully you guys can see that there on the camera, the difference. So both very, very sparkly, both very, very pretty. It just kind of depends on the texture that you want. This one does have a different texture than this fine glitter. And then our last little item that I got here is this little DIY jewelry kit. Again, it comes in this fabulous little box. Look at that. It's all organized and packed away for you. And then it does come with your little instruction booklet. After you use all your items, definitely save your case. You can go ahead and turn this into an embellishment box, or you could just save it for other craft items to organize. But if you are going to use it as an embellishment box, definitely take advantage of it having the little hoop right here, and make a little chunky charm or a little tassel and dangle something off of the end right there. It comes out so cute. So this is actually an earring kit, and it does come with the instructions to show you how to make different earrings. So here are the different examples that they've put together, but of course you could go ahead and do anything you like with it. This is just a little example, and then it does give you step-by-step tutorial in the back on how to put everything together. I think this is so wonderful that it is colored instructions for you to go through and know exactly how to put these together. I think that is a great little addition to go ahead and have. So really, really helpful. Love the little instructions. But I'm going to be taking mine and making a bunch of chunky charms. Of course, I have to make some chunky charms. You guys know how much I love those. But this comes with absolutely everything you need other than your pliers. So your pliers are going to be the only thing you need, but there are eye pins, there are head pins in here. Right here we have your earring hooks. In this one, we have different size black beads. Let me check if these are glass or plastic. So you get two different sizes there. There's the little baby size and the larger size. These are plastic. Those go right in there. This one is, oh, let's see. We have jump rings. And we have bead caps in this one. And it looks like two different styles of bead caps. That's a really nice. So there are different styles of bead caps. So there's this one right here. And then you have these like little daisy ones down over there. And you do get all the jump rings. And this one you have little spider web charms. Those are really cute. Oh, if you have like a little teardrop rhinestone, that would be really nice to go ahead and add into the belly of the spider just to jazz that up. Or you could go ahead and paint it as well. I'm going to see if I have a little rhinestone that I can fit in there. And then in the next one, you have like these little pumpkins that are really, really cute. The little pumpkin beads right here. Then you just have some little orange beads. These are glass, I think. These are glass. Yeah, those are glass too. Then we have some red. And then we have like the little like red teardrop as well. And then this one has all of your rings right here. So you just have the little rings to dangle things from. You have some more charms in here. We have a little spider. What else do we have? Some more spiders. We have our little spider and spider web right there. We have our little skull, but it has like little bat wings. And I think that's all of our little charms. Yep, that's all of our little charms in there. So you get a really good variety. I highly recommend getting these little earring kits because they come with absolutely everything you need. So whether you are making earrings, you can also get some chain that you already have in your stash, make yourself a bracelet, or you could do what I'm going to do and go ahead and make a couple of chunky charms using these products. So that's it for today, you guys. I will definitely come back and do some project shares of what I've put together with everything here, and I will definitely leave a link down below to their website and to these products. And I also do have a coupon code with them as well that I will leave in the description box for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.